So, I am told that there are people on the internet who are asking very good questions about pregnancy and babies. So, let's see. Can your baby get pregnant if you have sex while pregnant? These are the type of people who forget to breathe and die. So I will just let it go. Natural selection will happen to them very soon. How am I sure I'm the real mom of my kid? Hey, sometimes some guys just don't know. But let's continue reading. I just had a baby and it looks more like the man I had my baby with. It doesn't look like me at all. And I'm scared that he was cheating on me with another lady and I had her kid. This child is the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I can't imagine giving my baby to the real mom. How do I know? But she's the one who gave birth to the baby. Oh my God. One time, I was so cold, I put my hand in the microwave to warm it. And then I thought, wow, I am the stupidest person in the world. But now, I apologize to myself. We have a new champion. I don't know if my daughter is mine. If it's a man, that makes sense. Let's continue reading. I don't know if my daughter is mine. I gave birth to her, but I'm not sure if it's my boyfriend cheating on me and I had his other girlfriend's baby. Can someone help me? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, I think my brain just committed suicide. I can feel it bleeding. Oh my God. I live on the planet with people like this. Somebody kill me now. What if the girl that thinks I'm the dad isn't the mom? I slept with a girl and now she is pregnant. There's two possible fathers though, and neither of us think it's us anyway. What if she's really not the mom to begin with? But she's the one who is pregnant. Will it be another girl's child? It should be illegal for people like this to have children. And if they get someone pregnant, their punishment should be going to school for 20 years. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Lord. Why you put me on the planet with people like this? I want to make a deal with you. Please give us back Martin Luther King and I will give you these 4 people. That is a very good deal. 4 to 1. You give me 1 Martin Luther King, I give you 4 people. That's enough internet for me today. I am going to wash myself with holy water to get rid of all the stupidity I saw today.